A mountain of quiet, the veil thin as air. A voice calls child, and the cosmos is there. He shows me his world's like fire in the night, and who I am shines in his borrowed light. But after the glory, the shadows return. A serpent speaks smoke, trying to make my heart burn. Worship me now, but I've tasted the sun. Where is your glory? You've got none. I was made to stand where the heavens start, name in his palm, breath in his heart. When the night tries to tell me I'm small, I remember he made it all. This is his work, his glory, his story, to lift up children and make them whole. Worlds without number, part of the chorus, but he knows my name like he knows each soul. I won't bow down to the hollow and lonely. I'll rise to the purpose he planted in me. This is his word, his glory, and I'm learning who I'm meant to be. Stars upon stars, some greater, some near, collab like a morning, the throne shining clear. Intelligence is singing before earth began. A council convened with a rescuing plan. Whom shall I send? And love answered first, to bear all our weight, to heal every curse. Agency given, the noble stood true. We shouted for joy, and I still do. He measures the night and teaches my worth, counts every light and calls me to earth. When the dark says I'm lost in the sea, I remember he's calling me. This is work, his glory, his story, to lift up children and make them whole. Worlds without number, part of the chorus, but he knows my name like he knows each soul. I won't bow down to the hollow and lonely. I'll rise to the purpose he planted in me. This is his work, his glory, and I'm learning who I'm meant to be. I've seen his brightness break the night. So go, deceiver, your words lack light. The God of eternity called me his own. The truth is a rock more real than stone. If there's a throne, it's love that reigns. If there's a path, the Lamb is paved. I'll choose his name, I'll choose his way. I chose him then, I'll choose today. So teach me the heavens inside of my chest, to number my days by how I bless. From call-up symbol to Bethlehem star, the light of the worlds is never far. He formed my spirit before my first breath. He'll walk beside me through life and through death. And when I forget, just whisper to me, child, remember eternity.